Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to edit contact number in Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, you want to edit contact number in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to edit contact number in Motorola keypad mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile you want to edit contact number. So friends, now let's see how to edit number. First of all, tap here contact option button, right button, friends, tap here. If you click here add new contact option, select. After select, enter name, number and home number. Caller picture you can select, caller ringtone you can select, and you can add contact number. New contact number you can add in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, already I have saved my friend number, so my friend contact number I will add it. And how to add it? First of all, select your number, option button, tap here left button, view, you can check your contact name, number and picture, ringtone you can check. If you click here send text messages, so you can send text messages. Edit option, select, you can edit name, you can change number. By mistake friends, you have saved wrong number, so you can change number. So friends, now I will change number. First of all, my friend number, edit option, and I will change number. Example guys, this is number. Okay, you want to change name, so you can change name, my tuition friend number, my tuition, T U I T I. So friends, I think we have limit, so we cannot use 20 and 25 words, we can use only. So friends, I will not add my friend number I will remove. My friend, my tuition friend, T U I T I O O N N. If you click here picture, you can select photo also. So friends, I will select photo, done. Save option, add option, if you click here, so you can select photo. Okay, now friends, option, save, select, contact number will add it. Friends, now if you click here contact, so you can check this number I added. Friends, you can see photo will also show on this number, my tuition friend. So like that friends, you can edit contact number. And friends, if you click here, so friends, you can see ringtone, you can check here, you can edit ringtone, you can change your contact number ringtone also. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.